In the world where knowledge is power, countless women rise each day, not just for themselves, but for their families, their communities, and their future. For 25 years, one movement has lightened the path. WISE, Women Integrated Sustainable Empowerment. At the heart of this revolution is a nun with a vision, Sister Judith Shaddap, RNDM, a leader, a mentor, a catalyst for change.
But I just do not feel that I have done sufficient. So I pray to God, and with God's grace, inspiration, and help, it came to my mind that yes, I must do something. And in my journey in those interior villages, what I have experienced is that the most affected people are the women and the children. And so with that in mind, I said I must do something for the women. And so the idea came to my mind that I must start an NGO which will work specifically for the welfare of the women and the children. And that's what I thought and prayed and dreamt, was that I should really look for an entry point, how to deal and what to do and how to start this work that I have, this dream that I have. And so with that, I realized that yes, empowerment of the women is their main work that I should do. And in order to empower them, I realized that I have to find an entry point. And the entry point is socio-economic development and empowerment of the women.
These women are not just teachers, they are trailblazers, trained, tested, and transformed. They now shape the society they once struggled to find a voice in.
Tuy ở yang pide ikon swet mo pim dan nei te ipar pim long idan te ipar te mangla an su yarab ya pi mo hep teng onga blesibun mo sister pi la yarab yang ba maladon hang ne ba khlem stingkar wa khlem siure ka ba ai ma pi nga hun be te yarab sister ki na dong chadong ya hadu banga pas ya kan ka embroidery ru yarab sister kador kam ngamda lo ngapat dip mo pang kita ki daro ka no kalut ka no tama ngam chukli hiru e sister de limba jong yarap jong sister jidit kai
ayo iba ka wais kalong ka yarap sibun ki khna kan kamtam gitu ki khna kiba jenjar mo te ai men siem nang pa ai ga kalat kalenti ban ai training ki khna nda la dep ru ndai be isu e be kumto ida bud dien ki khna te kumno ki yo ka kam ka jam ki la yeng ne ma ka jat la jong kata kan ka ba long ka ba itadat ya ka wais ba ki ai lat ba ki khna kham tam ki tu ki besem jenjak ki long kemi ki basa i kum ki bom don la ulok ban sai ki khun te ki i ka wais ka la long ka wei ka jing kersan rat ba ya ka yeng ka sem ka ba don jing la pening ka jing e ka jing jenjak.
It is indeed a commendable milestone that WISE has now achieved. Sister Judith Shaddap has done so much to empower women, especially the downtrodden, the destitute, the poor, the marginalized. Her programs, her training are truly women-oriented. And over all of these 25 years, we have seen that women have come out and are now surviving on livelihoods generated from all of her training program.
Through obstacles and victory, WISE has become a ray of hope, a sisterhood of strength, a legacy of learning. Join us in celebrating 25 years of courage, compassion, and community service. This is not just a documentary, it is a tribute to the unstoppable power of women.